Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, class 4th. Today we are going to start our chapter number 4, that is about food and diet. What is the food and what is diet? Food is the all the eatable things that we eat in our routine without concentrating and without focusing that whether that is fulfilling the requirement of our body or not. And the diet means the balanced diet that meet out the requirements that our body needs. So food contains all sorts of things that the body needs. Some food also contain things that the body doesn't need. You should not only eat the food that tastes best, but you should make sure that the food you are eating is best for you. The body needs protein, carbohydrates, minerals and vitamins, and oils or fats. So let's see what these things do and which food you can find in. First thing, that is protein. Your muscles and organs are largely made up of proteins. Eating food that is rich in proteins helps these parts of your body to grow and stay healthy. So how protein helpful for our body, for our muscles and organs? Protein is essential for our muscles and organs. Protein is made up of amino acids, and our body needs amino acids to work properly. While your body cannot make some of the types of amino acids it cannot make all of them, but these amino acids are available in food also. So see in which food that these amino acids are available. That is red meat, fish, poultry, eggs, beans, nuts and rice. All these things and all these eatables are full of amino acids and proteins. So on the next page there is an activity about you have to select the food they contain proteins over here. Now come for the second essential thing, that are carbohydrates. There are two types of carbohydrates. The one, simple carbohydrates, and the second type is complex carbohydrates. Both types provide the body with energy, but complex carbohydrates are better for you. Why complex carbohydrates are better? Because simple carbohydrates are like sugars, and when you eat sugar it will get a boost of energy. However, this energy boost will not last very long, but the complex carbohydrates stay long on your body. They are starches and they provide energy to the body, but for a longer time. They provide the energy to the body for a longer time, and they are in the foods, like you can say they are in oily foods, you can say they are in pratas. They are not digested very easily, and that's why they provide energy to the body for the long time. So here are some examples that have complex carbohydrates. They are rice, corn, potato, beans, carrots, apples and grapes. These are the foods. They are not digested easily and they stay for long time in our stomach. That's why they are the source of healthy diet for us. So you have to select the healthy items from these items, and also you have to give the answer of the given questions. And the other thing that are very important for our body, that is minerals and vitamins. Minerals and vitamins are the things that the body needs to stay healthy. Minerals come from the ground and from water. They are absorbed by plants and consumed by animals. So they are present in all those things, from ground resources and from the animal resources and the water. Minerals and vitamins. Minerals and vitamins are the things that the body needs to stay healthy. So all these things are available in the items that they contain lot of water and they eat the ground resources. So what the minerals They can include calcium, iron, and zinc. Milk is rich in mineral calcium, and especially it is good for bones and teeth. So try to take a glass of milk every day. Red meat is rich in minerals. Red meat is rich in minerals, iron. Iron in the blood helps to carry oxygen around the body. And what the poultry items include: poultry is rich in the mineral zinc. Zinc is good for your immune system, which means it fights colds and other illness. So, vitamins are made by plants and animals, including by humans. Plants create all the vitamins that they need to survive, but animal needs to eat plants and other animals to get all the vitamins they need. How the vitamin A is good? There are three or four types of vitamins. They are vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin D. Vitamin A is good for your skin and helps fight diseases. Carrots are rich in vitamin A, so try to eat more carrots in winter. And vitamin C is present in lemon and also in the peel of apple. It is good for your bones, teeth, and gums and helps to fight off diseases. Oranges are rich in vitamin C. Vitamin D is good for your bones. Fish are rich in vitamin, and you can also get the vitamin D from the sun. Oils and fats. They might sound as if they are bad for you, but some fats and oils are an important part of the healthy diet. Fats and oils are very similar. In fact, oils are the liquid form of fats. The right sort of fats and oils are good for your nervous system, including your brain. They are also good for your skin, protect vital organs, and they can control your body temperature. Fats and oils that are good for you, they include fish, nuts, sunflower oil, canola oil, olive oil, peanut oil, sesame, and soybean oils. These are some type of oils. They are very important for us. Some fats are harmful if you eat too much of them, so avoid too many pies, donuts, and too much fast foods because they are not the healthy diets. So here are some questions, so you have to give their answers. And the next page, here is given a chart of balanced diet. So which things should we eat? We should eat more cereals that are wheat, grains, and we should eat vegetables and fruits in equal quantities. We should eat vegetables and also should eat fruits. We should take dairy products in our meal and also meats, but in less quantity. We should eat more cereals, then vegetables, then dairy and meat, and a very small amount of sweets should be taken. And what is good hygiene? Eating the right food is just one part of being healthy. Another part is good hygiene. Hygiene is about keeping clean. It is important to clean because dirty bodies attract germs and diseases. So, a clean body is a healthy body. Here are some things that you should make sure you do. That you should clean your teeth twice a day. It will stop germs making holes in your teeth. And you should wash your body. You should take bath regularly. You should change your clothes every day, and you should change the clothes that touch your body, like your vest. And you should wash your hairs regularly because dirty hairs will attract fleas and lice. Treat cuts and creases when you get them. You should have proper haircut after proper intervals because it will look your body very presentable. And you should wash and use hand sanitizer and other things so that your body may not attract germs. And so make sure when you are washing your hands before eating. before helping to prepare food, after playing outside, after using the toilet, after touching an animal or pet, after sneezing or blowing your nose, and after helping in the garden. After doing activities like these, you should properly wash your hands with some good hand washer and with good soap. So you also should keep your pets very clean so that they may not spread the germs. So here is an activity for you and are few questions for you to give them answer. And the chapter is complete now. Try to make sure that you have covered the chapter and then open your activity book and also try to fulfill the questions and the other objective types of that book.